In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Turbotax account. Whether you've forgotten your password or lost access due to other reasons, don't worry. I've got you covered with a simple step-by-step guide to get you back into your account. Let's dive right in. First things first, to begin the recovery process, head over to the official Turbotax website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login section. It's often prominently located, but if you find yourself having trouble, just scan the top right corner of the homepage where the sign-in area is typically situated. Accessing this section will set the stage for the recovery process. Next, navigate to the page where you previously accessed your account. It will recognize devices you've used recently. This feature is handy because it gives you a familiarity indicator. If you've accessed Turbotax on this device before, you'll likely see a prompt regarding your last visited session. Clicking on this shortcut can sometimes make accessing your account simpler if your device settings have been retained. Now it's time to input your password. If you've remembered it, great, simply type it in. However, if your password remains elusive, there's no need to stress. Turbotax offers alternative options to verify your identity. You can ask the system to send you a verification code. Typically, this can be received either via text message on your registered phone number or through your email linked to the account. Choose the option that is most accessible to you at the moment. Upon receiving the code, enter it into the designated field on the Turbotax page. Ensure you've typed it correctly, as codes are usually time sensitive and must be entered promptly after reception. If you encounter any issues with receiving your code, check for any potential delays or signal issues, and if needed, you can request to resend the code. Once you've successfully entered the appropriate details, click on the Continue button. This step is crucial as it finalizes your recovery process and grants you access to your Turbotax account once more. You should be redirected to your main dashboard, ready to manage your account and proceed with your tax-related tasks. It's always a good idea to update your password to something memorable yet secure once inside your account, especially if it has been compromised. Keep your contact details up to date to avoid future recovery troubles. I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to revisit any steps should you need a refresher, and be sure to share this video with anyone else who may benefit. Thanks for watching, and happy tax filing.